Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this mood watch. And as we craft, we're going to be learning about the importance of sharing our feelings. Are you excited? You're going to need paper, scissors, and colours. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! I'm going to cut out a small square and draw an outline of my face. And once I've done that, I'm going to cut 2 lines on each side of the face. Just follow my lead. Feelings are the ways our hearts and minds react to what's happening around us. When someone gives you a hug, you might feel loved. Or when you lose your toy, you might feel sad. Feelings are like colours in a crayon box. There's so many kinds. Shall we look at some examples? Happy, when you're smiling or laughing. When you're sad and you want to cry. When you're angry. Can you name some feelings? That's right. Or even confused or lonely. It's okay to have all of these feelings. And every feeling has a reason for being there. They're like messages trying to tell us something important about ourselves. Now I'm cutting our little face, just the outline. Imagine you're playing outside and you fall and scrape your knee. You'd probably tell an adult, right? Because you want them to help you clean it and put a plaster on it. Well, feelings are kind of like emotional scrapes. When you're sad, worried or angry, that's your heart's way of saying, "Hey, I need some care and attention." So now I'm cutting 2 little snips on the sides of the face. If we ignore our feelings, it's like pretending that scraped knee doesn't hurt. The dirt stays in it and it might get worse. But when we talk about our feelings, it's like washing the scrape and putting a clean plaster on. Talking helps us heal on the inside. Now I'm going to cut a strip of paper that will fit through our little snips on our face that we've just cut. Then I'm going to draw lots of pictures of our feelings, like happy or sad. Just follow my lead. Talking about your feelings might sound simple, but it's actually a superpower. Let's imagine you're a superhero. Every time you tell someone how you feel, your communication cape gets stronger. Here's why. It helps people understand you. If you don't tell others how you feel, they might not know. For example, if your friend takes a toy and you stay quiet, they might not realize that it upset you. But if you say, "I feel sad when you take my toy without asking," they can understand and make it right. Have you ever noticed how something feels really big when you keep it inside, but once you say it out loud, it starts to shrink? That's because sharing feelings helps your brain calm down. When you talk about your feelings, your friends learn to trust you more, and you learn to trust them too. You might even find out that they've felt the same way before. Feelings aren't just in your mind, they live in your body too. When we hold in anger or sadness, it can make our tummies hurt or make us tired. Talking about feelings is like letting fresh air into a stuffy room. Let's imagine a soda bottle. Every time something upsets you, someone shakes that bottle a little. You don't say anything, so it keeps shaking. Then one day, something small happens. Maybe your pencil breaks, and pop, the soda explodes everywhere. That's what happens when we hold in our feelings. They build up like they burst out. Sometimes as yelling, crying, or even being mean to others. When we talk about our feelings, before they build up too much, it's like opening that soda cap just a tiny bit, letting the pressure out safely. It's okay to feel upset. What's not okay is to hurt ourselves or others because of those feelings. Talking helps stop that from happening. Now, as you can see, I'm moving our head along and drawing a feeling inside each face. So who can you talk to about your feelings? You don't have to deal with them alone. There's always people who care and want to listen. You can talk to your parents or caregivers. They love you and want to help. Even a teacher or a school counselor. They're trained to help with big feelings. Your friends. Sometimes a friend can listen and help you feel better. Or your grandparents or other family members. They often have lots of wisdom and care. Even if you don't have words for how you feel, you can use the craft we just made and move the face to the feeling. Now I'm making a snip on each end, one up and one down. Make sure they're opposite. Or you can try and say things like, I feel sad, but I don't know why. Something is bothering me. Can we talk? That's enough to start a really good conversation. So this is how we talk about our feelings. Step 1. Name the feeling. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Maybe it's happy or scared or angry. Step 2. Say what happened. Tell us what made you feel that way. I felt sad when my friend didn't sit with me at lunch. And step 3. Say what you need. Think about what might help. I need a hug. I need someone to listen. I need to take a break. Here's an example. Mom, I feel frustrated because my homework is hard. Can you help me? See how simple that was. You named the feeling, frustrated, said what caused it, the homework, and asked for help, what you need. So let's remember, everyone has feelings, big and small. Feelings are normal and important. Talking about them helps you feel better. Sharing feelings builds strong and kind relationships, and there's always safe people who want to listen. So mentioning your feelings isn't just about talking, it's about being honest and brave and kind to yourself and others.
Wow, look at the mood watch you made! I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can put it on our wrist and change our mood when we're happy or sad. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. O Allah, continue to fill my heart with gratitude and happiness. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.